from the main road, there's a long driveway into Graceland RV Park. There is a ranger station, or like a station towards the beginning, and they will ask you to stop just to check if you're a registered guest. This is the office and gift shop that's straight ahead once you enter the long driveway. They do have Elvis gifts and souvenirs, as well as stuff from Graceland in Memphis. This is inside the office and gift shop, and as you can see, they have lots of Elvis and Graceland souvenirs. When you enter the park, off to your right is the tent area. It's the primitive camping area with no hookups or anything, but there's lots of green grassy areas to set your tent up, and picnic tables, barbecue pits, etc. They do have numbered sites for the primitive area also, where you can actually have a parking spot, and there is water and electric on some of them towards the back. And this is a large park-like setting. There are trails and walking areas all over through the trees and fields. All of the streets in the park are names of Elvis songs, which is really fun. These are the rows here at Graceland RV Park. You can see the sites are mostly all pull through, and they are full hookup 50 amp. The park has an outdoor kitchen and event area where you can have gatherings, large gatherings, and there's a sink, stove, microwave out here, and it's all covered. And it's adjacent to the swimming pool area. As everywhere in this park, the exterior perimeter area is all just walking and dog areas, pet areas. People have some random tents here and there, but it's just a nice area. It's shady on a hot day. It's a nice place to go walk around. This is that open area I was telling you about, the dog walk area. There are garbage cans and bag dispensers and all that good stuff for your furry friend. There are trails. And over here, there's a playground set in the trees. This building contains men's and women's restrooms with showers and a laundry room. The Graceland RV Park also has cabin rentals, and they have these cute little log cabins you can stay in if you don't have an RV. I can honestly say that this is a no-frills camping park. It does the trick. The people are really nice. The spots and hookups all work great. And the best part about this campground is it is right next door to Graceland. So they have a gate right down here at the end of the walkway, and you can just walk right over to Graceland every day. It makes for a really easy commute when you're here in town to see the big tourist attraction. So check out the campground. They do take Good Sam and probably a lot of other discounts. We used our Good Sam. It was in the $40 range, somewhere like that per night. And that's our camper right there, and we are really enjoying it. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And thanks again for watching Jeff and Steph's Excellent Adventure. Take care and safe travels. Bye-bye.